Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase project management skills with Asana. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an Asana account if you don't have one yet. Visit the Asana website and click on Get Started. Follow the prompts to enter your email and create a password. Choose a workspace suitable for your project management needs. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore different task views such as list, board, and calendar. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Select a project template or opt for a blank project. Name your project clearly to reflect its objectives. Add a project description to give context to team members. Invite team members by entering their email addresses. Assign roles based on each team member's responsibilities. Break your project down into manageable tasks. Click on Add Task and enter a descriptive title for each task. Set due dates for each task to keep the project on schedule. Use subtasks for tasks that require multiple steps. Assign tasks to specific team members for accountability. Add labels or tags to categorize tasks effectively. Utilize sections or columns to organize tasks within the project. Regularly update task statuses to reflect progress. Use the comments section for team communication and clarifications. Attach relevant files or documents directly to tasks. Leverage Asana's reporting tools to track project progress. Schedule regular check-ins with your team to discuss updates. Adjust timelines and tasks as necessary based on feedback. Take advantage of Asana's integrations with other tools you use. Explore automation options within Asana to streamline repetitive tasks. Use templates for recurring projects to save time. Finally, continuously seek feedback from your team to improve your project management approach. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.